LP kasi, hindi mo mahanap yung katulad ng samahan. What I meant is, hindi mo siya ma-compare sa ibang call center.
What?
Alam mo, di pa ata yan yung mga tanong eh.
Ay, alam mo ba?
Paano ko ba sasagutin?
Seryoso? May ganyang tanong?
Sino sabi na?
Oh my gosh!
Seryoso?
Sige, pag wala ito.
Serious? Serious yun?
Bakit naman ganun ang mga tanong natin?
Totoo, seryoso tanong yan. Walang distansya, pwedeng maglayo sa amin.
Tama.
Kaya ako bumalik kasi gusto ko talaga yung mga tao na kasama ko dun sa LP.
Baka memorable moment nung nakatulog talaga ako, tapos ginigising na, hindi nila ako ginigising, pinagtatawanan lang nila ako.
Never ka makakita ng ganitong klaseng management team na pwede mo silang kausapin na same level.
Aww!
Seryosong sagot ba dapat?
Oo, family. We're family. Yo.
Ano? Huwag ba ganun? Ano? Kayo?
Kayo.
Parang second family mo na sila. Nakapag-open ka sa kanila, not unlike sa ibang lugar, di ba? Yung MS, it's the place to be.
Ang paglilipat is not the end, but it's actually a beginning of a new, ano ba tawag doon? Of a new life or of a new adventure. Ano?
Good luck sa atin. Diba? Kaya natin to. Siyempre, we've proven ourselves a lot. Alam naman natin na lahat tayo versatile na kahit saan tayo lagay. Kayang-kaya. Magagaling tayo, yes.
Hello! We are MSLP!
Sa ibang center, magkakaroon kayo ng grupo-grupo. Pero ito, walang grupo-grupo eh. Lahat sa isang account. Pati sa ibang, yung ibang schedule, makakasundo mo talaga. And yun, sabi ko nga nag-apply ako dito, pagpasok ko pa lang, alam ko ng parang dito ako belong.
I belong!
I belong.
Hindi ka maganda yung ano mo sa
Ay!
It doesn't feel you're in a working environment. It feels like you're at home because it's like you're working with your family, not with a regular office mate.
Masarap dito kasi morning shift siya. Tapos nakakatulog ako sa gabi. Tapos maraming pagkain. Yan. Almost lahat kami tumaba dito. So,
Parang hindi naman.
What if MS for me my second home?
Mamimiss ko yung mga ibon dyan. Doon wala na ibon.
Ay, madami! Balita ko, madami!
Pagpasok mo pa lang kahit parang wala ka sa mood pumasok o pagod ka or you're feeling something wrong, papatingin ka bigla ng, "Hi, good morning!" Okay na. Nakakadagdag sa enthusiasm. Yun.
And yung fact na kilala nila tayo by name.
LP, I think, is more than just a team in CVGC. It's a family that I treat. It's my second home. I think it's because of the people. Ba't ba na ako naiiyak? Because I remember before I became an operations manager, one of the things that Jen told me was that just love the people and they will love you back. And I think until this moment, I can feel the love
not only by my bosses, but by my team managers, the support staff. And I think because of this love, it flows through the agents. That's why, I think this is why the account is very close to each other. Walang plastikan, walang parang cool lang, masaya lang sila sa trabaho because the work itself is already too heavy and complicated. And I think it's the people that makes everything easier, and it's something we look forward to when we go to work every day. It's our teammates and the family that we will see every day.
I love you so much.
I cannot see myself working for another account for another company, but MSLP.
Grab the change. It's inevitable and enjoy life.
buhay natin may reason. Kumbaga, this is not the end of your journey. Ano lang to paumpisa pa lang.